Hello viewers, this is Mohammad Sajid Hassan and you guys watching sajidztech. In this video, I'm going to talking with about how you can make free call to your friends and you have zero cost for that, and here you needn't to waste any type of money for that. So what's that trick? To know about that, you need to watch this video till to the end. Before just starting that video, there are a bit request from me guys. If you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start my that video with you guys. Okay guys, to do this here, first of all you need to go to in the Google Play Store, and from here you need to search here Text Me app. This is the app that you need to install it in your mobile phone, and I have already installed this in my Android mobile phone, and after that I need to open up it there. And here guys, after just open up it there, you need to go to in this right bar and here click it, multiple numbers, works like email, reach everyone. Now click on the get started. And here you need to log in or sign up with your free email account. You can also sign up with a Facebook account or Google account. I have already a Google account, so I will sign up with this my Google account. Now after that, click on the Google again, and here from you need to go to on that specific email ID which you want to use. And here guys, it's connecting to you, and here it will be sign up if you haven't any account. And here guys, we are there by just getting the sign up there. And here from we need to add a number here to do this. So from here, now go to in the numbers, and from here click on this plus button, and here guys you will get all numbers. So here guys, these are the best sellers and new international numbers are there. So from here this number will get voice, SMS and the MMS. This is the United States number, so I just choose this number here, and here guys it will get loaded, and after that it will be taken that. And from here you can also set the nearby area and the random area. I just take the random area from here, and here guys it will take the prefix as there. Now click on the specific number which you want to choose, and here guys it's okay for you. So here this number will be reserved for you to make a free call for you. Now here from you can also set things from there that you can go for premium, or here if you want to make the premium, that time you can buy for 350 taka. But here I will show you the free way to do this. So from here go to the back, and here guys now you need to go to on that my account from here, and here from guys I need to go to on that specific number and go to the store from here, and now go to in the free, and from here you can watch a video to earn 2 to 3 credit from here. Here you will get a lot of videos. If you just watch any video, that time you will earn credits, and here they have no any money, it will earn by the credit, and here you have to cost your credits, and by that way you can also earn 10 to 100 credit every day to talk with your friends or others. And here in this way you can earn your credits, and by that credit you can talk with your friends. But here guys, you have to remember that for every calls you have to pay 3 credits per minute, and here you have to pay for 1 SMS 5 credits, and by that way you can also call to your friends free without any type of cost. And here guys, whenever you are calling, that time your internet connection must be on. So here is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you, and here guys it will work for you in your Android mobile phone. Now guys, it's your turn to test it in your mobile phone whether it's working or not. Guys, if it's working, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video guys, share this video with your friends and so on guys. So no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.